Why does your scanner show the P2159 engine code? What does it mean? P2159 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor B range or performance. This engine code indicates the powertrain control module detects an inaccurate or irrational reading from your ride's vehicle speed sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty vehicle speed sensor. Damaged VSS wiring. Faulty VSS connector. Damaged reluctor ring. Incorrect tire size. Faulty wheel bearings. Faulty ABS sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in almost any vehicles with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Kia, Hyundai, Dodge, Jeep, Volkswagen, Proton, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.